Good day to you. Welcome to Citadel Academy. So in today's lesson, we'll be looking at numeric operators in Java. Without further ado, let's get into the lesson for today. So first things first, I would like to state that we have 5 different kind of numeric operators in Java. We have let me just put it as a comment, the addition, the subtraction, um, the multiplication, we also have the division, and finally we have the modulus operation. Okay, so all these are the different kind of numeric operations that we have in Java. So let's say dot system dot out dot print let me use the addition. Let me say 5 plus 4. Okay, 5 plus 4, and then let me just put a string in front of it. Let me just say okay, let me explain this first. 5 plus 4, if I save this, Control S, and then I go to the terminal. Okay, my terminal is now open, so I can say javac numeric, the name of my class, operators the Java. Successfully compiled, no error. Now we say Java numeric. Let's run it now. Numeric operators. Now you see it gives us our answer here as 9. So the plus symbol is used for addition in almost everywhere. Statistics, mathematics, everywhere is used as addition. It is also used as addition here when it comes to numbers in Java. But we can also use it to concatenate strings, as I've taught you before. We can use it to concatenate strings and other data types together. So let me just say addition operation, and then let me close the string. Now the thing now here is that, and then I put the plus. Okay, now the thing here is that we use this plus here to join this and this, but let's just see the output first. Let's see if it will give us 9 or it will give us something else, because right now Java is reading this as 5, as we are trying to join these numbers 5 and 4. So it is not going to give us 9 as our answer. It is actually going to give us 54. But let's run it so you see it. Save it, Ctrl S, and then let's recompile this. Now let's run it. So it says addition operation 54. So actually it's not reading this as an addition operation right now. It's reading it as we are trying to concatenate these two integers 5 and 4. So if we wanted to add them together, we have to put them in brackets. Okay, we have to put them in brackets. Now as we have made it like this, it is going to, let's save it and then let's run it. So if we compiled it, now let's run it. Now you see it says addition operation 9. So it's what it did here is that it evaluated the bracket first, and then when it got the answer 5 plus 4, it got the answer. It now used this plus sign here to concatenate it to this string, okay, that we added here. So let me just copy this. Let me copy this and then paste it below, paste it below, paste it below, then one more. Yeah, so that's it. Now let me just do away with our terminal for now. So here let's say division operation 5 divide 7. Okay, let me just, I like making my givens a lot of spaces in my code. So let's say here we use the slant symbol for backslash, rather we use the backslash symbol for denoting division, subdivision in in Java. So for the multiplication, we use the asterisk, and then for the division, we use, sorry, for the subtraction, we use the minus sign, and then for the last one, that's the modulus, we use the percentage sign. Okay, we use the percentage sign. So let me just go ahead and change it here. Multiplication, and then change it here again. So here we have subtraction, and then change it here to modulus. Okay, so like this, it's okay. Now let me save this. Okay, for this modulus, let me use 7 divide 7 modulus 4. Okay, let me save this, and then now let's bring up our terminal. Okay, let me just bring this down a bit. Okay, it's okay like it. Now let's recompile our code, and then let's run our code now. So you see, it says here, it says addition operation 9, division operation, that's 5 divide 4, it's 1. Multiplication operation 20, subtraction operation 1, 5 minus 4, 5 times 4, it's 20, 5 minus 4, it's 1. Modulus operation 3, 7 modulo 4 is 3, 7 divided by 4, 4 can only go into 7 one times. What's the remainder? 3. So modulus operation is used to calculate remainder. Okay, we use the modulus mostly. We want to determine if a number is even or odd. So definitely, any number divided by 2 that gives us a remainder of 0, it that doesn't have a remainder, rather it is an even number. But any number divided by 2 that has a remainder, it is an odd number. So we use the modulus to determine that. So we also see here in the division operation, we say 5 divide 4, and the answer it gave us is 1. It didn't give us the decimal part, because 5 divide 4, it's 1 point something, but it didn't give us the decimal part. The decimal part, it truncated it. That's because it's being read, it's reading all these numbers here as integers. Okay, if we wanted to give us that decimal part, the decimal point, the with the remainder, we can simply just impute, let's say 5.0 here. Okay, impute 5.0 divide 4, and then see it. Let's recompile this. Now let's run it. So you see, it says here, division operation, it give us the number 1.25. It give us the decimal portion, it didn't truncate it. So whenever you want to perform division, you have to be cautious of the decimal part. Okay, so that it won't be truncated, please. So you can also create a variable for to store all these values, and then you later use those variables. I've taught you on how to create variables. So what I would like you to do is that you should create variables, and then you should use them in the place of this numbers we use here. You should use those variables to display the answer for you. Okay, you can, let me just give you a sample of what I meant. So you can say, let's say for the addition now, since it's an integer, we can say it's, let's say num sorry let's say num1, which is equal to what, 5, and then let's say int num2, which is equal to what, 4. Okay, then you say int answer equal to what, num1 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 plus num2. Okay, and then you leave it like that. You can also just decide to say you can also do away with all this and just say um int answer equal to what, 5 plus 4. Okay, and then you come and introduce the variable here. So you can just do away with this and then put the variable so you can just copy this. Okay, copy the answer, and then you just come and paste it. Okay. So this will give you the same thing. It will display what, 5 plus 4. But the reason why I introduced this answer it's because you can use these two variables to perform this three operations, this one, two, three operations, and then you can introduce another variable, not an integer though. For the division, you use either a double data type or you use a float data type. But if you use the short, the byte, the short, the integer, or the long data type, it will definitely truncate this decimal portion. Okay, so you need to be cautious of that when you are performing this operation. Okay, so that will be all for now. Please make sure you carry out the exercise. With this, we've come to the end of today's class. Thank you so much. Do have a nice day. God bless you.